Hi everyone, welcome back. Let's talk about an important question. Will AI replace programmers? The short answer is no, not completely. AI is a tool, not a full replacement. Yes, AI is changing the way programmers work. It is making coding faster, testing faster, and learning faster. But programmers are still the people who understand the real problem and make the final decisions. First, let's see where AI helps. AI helps with boilerplate code. It can generate repetitive code quickly. AI also gives code suggestions. It can suggest methods, logic, and possible improvements while coding. AI can help with bug fixes. It can explain error messages and point to possible solutions. It can help create test cases. It can also support refactoring by suggesting cleaner and better code. And it can generate documentation and debugging ideas. So clearly, AI saves time. But now, let's look at what programmers still do. Programmers still understand requirements. They still implement business logic. They still work on a system design. They still handle security. They still think about performance. They still work with databases and APIs. They still manage deployment and production. And most importantly, programmers still make final decisions. That is why human judgment matters. So the real future is not programmer versus AI. The real future is a programmer plus AI. Now let's understand this with real-world examples. First, let's take a web API example. The flow is simple. There is a feature request. Then AI creates a code draft. After that, the programmer reviews it and integrates it. In this example, AI can help generate boilerplate code. It can suggest endpoints. It can even draft unit tests. But the programmer still must validate business rules. The programmer still must handle edge cases. And the programmer still must connect real systems properly. So AI can draft faster, but the programmer makes sure the API actually works for the real business need. Second, let's look at a bug fix example. Here the flow is error log, then AI explanation, then programmer root cause fix. AI can explain stack traces. It can suggest probable fixes. It can summarize the code path and save debugging time. But the programmer still must find the true root cause. The programmer still must verify the issue in production context. And the programmer still must approve the final fix. Because a suggested fix is not always the correct fix. Third, let's move to a system design example. The flow is app idea, then AI architecture options, then programmer final design. AI can suggest components. It can compare patterns. It can also draft documentation. But the programmer still must choose the right trade-offs. The programmer still must plan for scalability. And the programmer still must ensure security and reliability. This is very important. Architecture is not just about creating a block diagram. It is about making strong technical decisions for real systems. Fourth, let's look at a code review example. The flow is pull request, then AI review hints, then programmer decision. AI can spot style issues. It can suggest refactoring. It can highlight potential bugs. But the programmer still must assess correctness. The programmer still must decide whether the code is ready to merge. And the programmer still must protect code quality. So again, AI helps, but the programmer remains responsible. Now the conclusion becomes very clear. AI boosts speed. Humans add context. Good programming still needs judgment. Programming skills still matter. Problem solving still matters. Architecture still matters. And the best way to use AI is as an assistant, not as a replacement. So remember the quick rule: AI will not replace programmers, but programmers using AI will replace programmers who ignore AI. That is the real future of programming.